So I'm here at Rainbow Protea, and you can see the beautiful rocky mountains and all that around here. We're kind of high up. It's still kind of misty. I don't know if you can see out there at all. But anyway, I wanted to take a second and show you what pincushion looks like. And so a lot of times people, you get these stems in and they're different stages. And I thought it might be kind of fun for you to see a plant. So here we go. So this is the plant, and this foliage looks really indicative of a lot of different proteas. Has a little bit of small hairs on it, kind of pubescent, and you can see the new growth has a lovely little tip to it. Well, of course, there's one that's blown open. Here's a protea that is in bud, and really amazing to see how they go. So okay, here's one tight. You can see where they start from here, go to here. Let's see if we can find the different stages here. There's little hummingbirds like flying all around. I think this must be one of the next stages, between this or that one back there. And then as they continue to grow, you can see how the little pins are starting to separate, starting to come out from the bloom. And then we'll come over here, and then you see one all the way open. Probably want to cut a little earlier than that, but isn't that incredible? And here is a red. You can see the different colors at the different stages. Let me see if I can zoom in. See the hummingbird? You see it, y'all? Look at them all. Can y'all see that? You hear them chirping, flying around. It's pretty neat. So again, you see all the different stages. And that's probably the perfect stage right there to cut. Let me see if I can, yeah, there we go. There's a little bee in there. But just thought that might be something really interesting. We're up here, they're on drip irrigation, because water is a very precious commodity around here. And the movement of that water is also a challenge, as I just learned at the last farm I was visiting. Look at this color. See way down there, let me see if I can zoom in. Whole bunch of orange. And this red back here is different leucadendrons like Safari Sunset. See all the buds. I hope y'all are enjoying this. Probably need to let the hummingbirds have some peace and quiet. I don't think I've ever seen that kind of hummingbird before with the red throat. It's almost like a crown. Just sitting there. I know. He's talking to me. He says, leave me alone, I'm hungry.